Hi guys, good morning. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a Sunday afternoon and I am in a very lazy outfit, but I have to freshen up and get ready. I've been working since the morning. I woke up, took a shower, and then I started working. Sitting there with my laptop, and you can see the sofa. It's just so messed up. Look at this. I also have some more work to do for which I have to get ready, and I'm also meeting my friends in the evening, so I have to get ready for that as well. So I think I'm gonna wash my face again because I feel it's too oily right now. Well, tell me you're Maharashtrian without telling me you're Maharashtrian. Kal Nirnay. And I feel so fresh. The breakout I was talking about earlier is this year and year and year. I don't like it. I just don't like this. Also, I don't like the lighting here and I want to change the lighting, but I'm so comfortable here. So I don't know. Hmm.
كفيته الإعلام كفيته وفيته كفيته يا شباب وفيته كفيته يا شباب.
And I realized that I didn't turn my mic on.
Bruh.
So this is what happens when you don't vlog for 3 months. Achanak se you start vlogging. You just forget the minute details of vlogging. And that's what happened with me right now.
كفيته الإعلام كفيته وفيته.
Well, I was gonna do my makeup first and then gonna talk to you guys, but I realized that it gets very boring to just do my makeup and not talk to you guys. So here I am. Well, I decided to vlog daily. I decided to put videos daily. I try to, tell myself that I want to be active on my YouTube as well. Achhe se, but my job and there are multiple things that I do. It gets very hectic for me to do my time management, but these are just excuses. I have to take time to do the things that I love genuinely. It's not like I don't love my job. I do love what I do for a living, but sometimes I do feel like I just want to quit my job and just focus on my own stuff. But then I realize that stability is really important. Of course, it gets hard for me to manage multiple things. As I'm a marketing girly, I work as a social media manager and I have to, be creative for the whole 8 hours I give it to my workplace, like creation, for ideation, for developing strategies, for filming content, to managing the team and everything. It takes this to be active for the whole straight 8 hours. And when I am done with my work and I head back to home, this gets very tired, this gets very exhausted to focus on Amala or focus on something that I'm gonna announce soon on my Instagram as well. Sorry for taking the lipstick break, but I have so many things in my plate as of now. The age I am right now will not come back, and I don't want to be in my 30s regretting. That's why I'm gonna try to be more active. That's why I'm gonna try to do more good time management. I just don't want to let go of my YouTube. I just don't want to stick to just my job. I don't want to just stick to limited things. That's why I'm trying multiple things at the time. And I feel so bad when I look back to my YouTube videos and the consistency I maintained years ago as well. But time नहीं हो पाती है चीज़ें to maintain that consistency. Yeah, I just want to get back on YouTube at my own pace. So many of my friends and family, keep on telling me that you should get back to YouTube and start making videos and be, consistent on it. And, or some people just say that stick to your job. Why do you need YouTube? Why do you need Amala? But, I just don't like to do things that people tell me to do. I like to do things according to my plan. I like to listen to what people say to me. I just hear it and take what is needed and just leave the rest. Sometimes I go to people who are very close to me, whom I feel like they genuinely want, good stuff for me. So sometimes I reach out to those people and, ask for advice or, solutions or opinions. But then again, I just take what I want and leave the rest. Feel like I'm not someone who is, made to just live the basic 9 to 5 routine, and some people romanticize that 9 to 5 routine, which is totally fine with me. But I'm someone who don't want to romanticize it too much. But I'm someone who don't like to settle in. It's okay for girlies who are with the mindset that they don't want to work, but
Bruh.
I am someone who loves to work. But it should be something I love. Again, I love my job, but at the end, it's a job and you are working for someone else. But to make it more bearable or to make it more comfortable, when you work at a 9 to 5, you should always think like that this is my thing. And if I work good here, I'm creating a good portfolio for myself. So that's the mindset I carry to my workplace. As I've turned 24, it just really sounds scary and very weird that 24 seems like a very big number to me, because like in a year I'll be 25, which is like quarter life crisis. Sometimes I feel like I'm not ready, and it's okay to not be ready. It's okay to not be prepared. I don't want to go with the flow anymore. I want to be planned. I want to know that what are my next moves, what I'm gonna do next. A year ago in my videos, you must have seen me saying that, we just go with the flow and stuff like that. But as I turn 24 and I'm gonna turn 25 in a year, it sounds very scary to me, but it's okay. I am doing life at my own pace. So it's okay. I'll figure out stuff. Whenever I try to get my life together, I just get very overwhelmed because there are so many things that I'm working on, and so many other personal issues which I go through, which I am not comfortable talking about. Yeah, it's not just career, it's your health, it's your family, it's your relationship, it's your friendships, it's your work. There are so many things that goes on in your life in 20s, but once you understand that life is messy, life cannot be perfect. I am messy, I cannot be perfect. People are messy, people cannot be perfect. And your job can never be perfect. So once you understand that nothing can be perfect, but there is perfection and imperfection, life in 20s is going to be messy, it's going to be complicated, it's going to be hard, it's not going to be easy, but it's not impossible. You can do this, we can do this. If I can do this, definitely you can do this. Sometimes I feel like I should just give up. I thought that I might give up. Sometimes I feel like I should just give up, or sometimes I feel like I should just stop having these dreams. Sometimes I feel like these dreams are just too big for me. But like as I said, I'm going on my own pace, and aaj nahi to kabhi those dreams will be mine. And that's why I'm just pushing myself. Ki no, you can do this. But by pushing, I don't mean like gada mazdoori and just ki ho gaya. पूरा दिन बस काम 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 करो, and there is no self personal time, there is no enjoyment to your life. No, not like that. Work hard, but also try to understand that you have to maintain work life balance. It's very important. When I was in college, people used to say this on the internet that work life balance is very important. I मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता था कि work life balance होता क्या है. Once I started working, I understand that after spending 8 hours in your workplace, when you meet your friends, when you meet your partner, when you meet your family at home, आपको उस माइंडसेट से घर नहीं जाना है कि यार मेरे घर ऑफिस में ये सब हो गया, अब सारा फ्रस्ट्रेशन मैं मेरे अपनों पे निकालूंगी. बिकॉज इफ यू जस्ट डू दैट, आई यूज टू डू दैट. I used to stream all my frustration. It used to get very messy, and then I understood that nahi, that's not fair, that's not right for them, because उन्होंने तो कुछ नहीं किया है. It's just my frustration. It's just my workplace that gave me that frustration. Whenever I leave the office, I leave all my frustration, all my work things in my office, and I go home and meet my people with a clear mind that okay, I'm meeting my friends, I'm having a personal time, and this is my life after my work, which I want to balance. That is work life balance. Yeah, I guess that is it for my YouTube video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.